Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a hanging indentation in Google Docs. Basically, there are two ways or two methods to achieve that style in any paragraph of your document. And those two methods are easy and fast. So let me show you the easy way. First, you have to select the text or the paragraph that you want to apply a hanging indentation. I'm going to select this paragraph. And then after that, go to the format menu. Click the align and indent, and then click indentation options. Alright, here you can change the spatial indent setting to hanging and enter the value or the gap, the size of the gap, to whatever number you want. Here I'm using centimeter and therefore I enter a number to be 1.5, but of course if you are using imperial system, then usually the number is 0.5 inches. However, this is up to you. You can put any number you like. After that, click apply. And there you go. This is the hanging indent in Google Docs. But there is another method that is probably faster, and that probably something that you want to use on your document. So let me undo the change. I'm going to apply the hanging indentation with the second method, but for the same paragraph. What I need to do now is to click on this inverted triangle. You have to be precise because it's quite tiny. Click and then drag it to the left, sorry, to the right. Okay, I'm trying my best to click on that. Okay, now drag it to the right to create an indentation. And there you go. But do keep in mind that this effect is different compared to the previous one. So if you still remember, the previous one is giving the indentation for the second line of the paragraph, while this method is giving the indentation for the first line of the paragraph as well. So just keep that in mind. But anyway, that's basically how you can create a hanging indentation in Google Docs. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.